human being. This robo-dog, known as Vision 60, comes from Philadelphia-based Ghost Robotics, a startup focused on legged robots. Previously, we've spotted Vision 60 robots in U.S. military service during a 2020 U.S. Air Force exercise at Nellis Air Force Base in Nevada. There, the machines help to establish a security cordon. Air bases, which often require runways that are thousands of feet long, can be difficult to patrol effectively, and the robo-dogs make it easier to rely on fewer humans for the job. This new, armed version of the Vision 60 is equipped with the special-purpose unmanned rifle, Spur. It's a 10-shot rifle chambered in a 6.5mm Creedmoor, a new, medium-caliber, high-velocity, long-range precision round. The Creedmoor is known in shooting circles for having a relatively flat ballistic trajectory, making it more of a hit-what-you-see round at longer ranges than older cartridges like the .308 Winchester. The robot's human controller is in charge of Spur, a 30x electro-optical thermal scope, assists in the weapon's target acquisition and aiming.
In the future, it may be possible to make robots so tiny you can't even see them. We're not there yet, but we're getting pretty close. Here are the top 10 incredible micro-robots. Number 10. Micro-scallops. Robots are generally powered by electricity and require complex motors to move. But when it comes to developing microscopic robots, that might not work out so well. One special robot, however, bypasses such limitations. These microscallops can swim through bodily fluids and even into your eyes. Rather than electricity, they are powered by an external magnetic field. These robots are being developed to deliver drugs to places that can't be reached by human hands. Talk about the future of medicine. Number 9. Black Hornet spy drones. In the near future, the United States Army plans to equip nearly all of its combat troops with tiny drones that can spy on enemy forces from the sky. These drones are known as Black Hornets and are small enough to fit in one hand. These Black Hornets can fly over 13 miles per hour and can take HD photos and live video. They have the potential to change the world's militaries as they provide unmanned security for military soldiers. Number 8. Zuda Pocket Printer. While most of the robots on this list have more serious applications such as medical breakthroughs or military spies, this small robot is a bit more for convenience or even novelty. If you're an office geek, the Zuda Mini Mobile Robotic Printer will surely make it to the top of your wish list. Beginning on Kickstarter, the Pocket Printer weighs just 350 grams and has a diameter of only 10 centimeters. While most printers take up at least a square foot of space on your desk, this one will fit in your hoodie pocket. This tiny printer has a battery that'll last about an hour, and it's going to need it. It takes about a minute just to print one page because it prints slowly, gliding across the page. While the printer is not yet on the market, it has entered production after its successful campaign on Kickstarter. Number 7.
Whether you're a professional spy or just want to play pretend, you'll find a lot of gadgets out there that can make your job a whole lot easier. In today's video, we'll be going over 10 spy gadgets you can actually buy. These newer gadgets are a product of ingenuity and facilitate you in ways you can never imagine. There's one device that allows you to record video with just your eyes, and another that helps you battle enemy surveillance like no other. However, the coolest gadget's the one that's all set to be your worthy partner in the shadows. So sit back and make sure to watch this video till the end. You'll find links to all the products down in the description below. Number 10. Seek Thermal Camera. You can transform your smartphone into a powerful thermal sensor with the Seek Thermal Camera. It's a compact, yet powerful thermal imaging tool. When connected with your phone, the phone's camera becomes equipped to capture thermal photos and videos. You can easily detect electrical faults, air leaks, inefficient HVAC systems, among other things. The camera can detect faults up to 1,000 feet. The camera grants a 36-degree field of view and transmits video at the rate of less than 9 Hz frame rate. It features a focusable lens and has the capacity to work in both high and low temperatures. The best part's that Seek thermal cameras don't consume much power. In fact, they don't really need to be charged since they rely on your phone for power. These cameras have been designed to be extremely lightweight and portable. It features auto emissivity as well as an audio mode. All in all, you definitely need it in our pocket if you want to survive on the battlefield. Number 9. Spy Charger. Spies don't use normal chargers. Instead, they use Spy Charger, which features a surveillance camera. When plugged into a power socket, the device will start recording and will alternatively stop recording when unplugged. You can later view the footage by connecting the device to a computer or even your phone. The footage is stored on an SD card. The Spy Charger supports the FAT32 format SD card. Additionally, the charger comes equipped with a camera that grants 70 degrees viewing, along with 30 frames per second AV output. The device also features smart motion detection, allowing it to start recording when the camera detects any movements. The footage can run in loops as long as there's spaces on the SD card. Number 8. Spy Bottle. Water bottles make for the perfect spy tool since they're as inconspicuous as you can get. The Tecticon water bottle has been designed keeping exactly that in mind.
Nine things you probably don't know about Glock pistols. The Glock is probably the most popular handgun brand today. Since its existence in the mid-1980s, Glock has manufactured millions of pistols on the market. Glock pistols are highly regarded by law enforcement and civilians alike. These guns are impressive because they are not that expensive, but they perform really well. At the same time, they are progenitors of polymer frame pistols. So that's something that they can brag about. Those who aren't even into firearms know about Glocks. Those who are into pistols know how good these weapons are. But interestingly enough, there are some things about Glocks that many still don't know yet. Hello everyone, this is Zeke from Click Clack, and in this video I'm going to present various facts about Glocks that you probably don't know. Stick until the end so that you'll get mesmerized. Before we start, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. Now let's get back to the video. Fact 1. Glock didn't start with pistols. Gaston Glock came into existence in 1929 during the First Austrian Republic. He was an engineer by profession but started his corporation a few years after the Second World War. However, he did not establish his company to become a leading gun manufacturer. Instead, the company was originally set to become a global manufacturer of curtain rods. Yeah, you heard me right. He simply wanted to create curtain rods for residential and commercial buildings. Things took a sharp turn in the 1970s. Glock was designated to create knives for the Austrian military. But the birth of Glock guns did not take place right after that. It was in his 50s when he started to engage his company in gun designing and manufacturing. Fact number 2, Glock was not only about Glock pistols. Before Glock pistols came into existence, it was preceded by various military supplies. As I've mentioned, Glock was among the manufacturers that created military knives for the Austrian army. It wasn't just knives though. Glock also developed machine gun belt links, casings, and training grenades for the military. Furthermore, Glock manufactured these supplies on a large scale, as the Austrian government wanted its military to have adequate amenities. In 1980, Glock introduced the injection molding machine for the faster production of various polymer components of military equipment. That innovation led to the birth of one of the world's most iconic pistols. Fact number 3. The first Glock pistol is a Glock 17. We all know that there are a plethora of Glock pistols today. We even reached their 5th iteration with the Gen 5 models. But among these Glock pistols, it is the Glock 17 that holds the prestige of being the first Glock handgun ever made. In 1980, Glock spent time in his workshop designing the company's first pistol. He was joined by employees who previously worked in the camera industry since they have lots of experience with polymers. The design to production process for Glock's first pistol was quite fast. In fact, Glock filed a patent for the handgun in April 1981. In the patent, the pistol was named the Glock 17. The latter is a lightweight, affordable pistol that would soon become one of the legendary weapons in firearms history. Fact number 4. Glock pistols revolutionized polymer handguns. Today, semi-automatic polymer handguns dominate the gun market. They are light, reliable, and cost-efficient. But these pistols wouldn't have come into existence without the inspiration of Glock. One of the reasons why Glock pistols stand out in the competition is because of their lightweight construction. During the 1980s and the years prior to it, the gun
The Tecticon water bottle has been designed keeping exactly that in mind. This is no ordinary water bottle, for it features a surveillance camera. You'll find it fitted into the cap. The camera is one of the very best, for it features motion detection. The camera can connect with your devices through Bluetooth. Additionally, the device is battery powered. It features a Skylink, Nexia as a controller type. All in all, it's a great buy considering no one would expect a water bottle to be fitted with a camera. Number 7. All Deal Signal Jammer. Hit your enemies with a serious setback with the All Deal Signal Jammer. It's an 18-band with 16 antennas all in one design signal jammer. The device is capable of jamming all kinds of 5G, 4G, 3G phones, iPhones, and even walkie-talkie and RF signals. The jamming radius spans over 2 to 25 meters. The device has a band design which makes it pretty portable. It has also got a nylon cover. It features 3 cooling fans along with a high-efficiency aluminum alloy radiator, making up the cooling system. Additionally, the DIP switch allows you to turn off each band individually. Each band has a specific output port and frequency range. As for the battery life, one charge lasts up to 150 minutes. The length of the antenna is a mere 195 millimeters, but it does a pretty good job. In the end, you can seriously hurt your enemies with this baby in your hands. Number 6. Fly Spy. Fly Spy is your newest partner for the job. It's insect-designed drone that acts as your eyes in the field. The device features a ton of sensors like a UV targeting sensor, power actuators, and an optical flow sensor. It transmits HD video with the help of its high-resolution video cameras. Listening devices also give you audio. Additionally, the device features license plate readers, which more than come in handy. The drone's capable of maneuvering through tight spaces and landing anywhere. It's also got some weapons in its arsenal, including tasers. The Fly Spy allows you to infiltrate spaces that you normally couldn't and ups your espionage game. Number 5. Induction Earpiece. The induction earpiece allows you to communicate with the base of operations without ever getting spotted.
Get ready to check out some awesome new products, such as a tactical pen that could save your life, and even a mini fridge that you can take in your car. This is Future Tech. Cap Launcher Bottle Opener. Are you looking for some fun new games to play with your buddies at your next get-together? The Cap Launcher Bottle Opener has everything you need to have a good time. The bottom of this device has a built-in bottle opener that'll let you snap the lids off your bottles with ease. Just place it around the bottle cap in question, pull, and cap will pop right off. But that's not all. You can load the cap into the launcher and shoot it across the room using the spring-loaded trigger mechanism. Imagicharm. This amazing device was designed with young women in mind, helping to teach young girls about the importance of tech in the modern world and giving them an easy way to understand coding and circuit boards. This charm allows you to create designs and upload them directly to the charm. They can then be worn as a necklace, placed onto a backpack or purse, or work around your waist. Designing the charm is easy. Just open the app, draw a design, and upload it to the charm. However, things get more impressive when you open up the coding center, allowing you to implement some impressive features into your charm, such as animations or blinking lights. These charms are easily rechargeable and can connect to your phone wirelessly. They're perfect for teaching younger generations about technology and coding in a way that is both fun and productive. TPX-20 Titanium Tactical Pen. This pen is built with an all-metal construction that will allow it to last for many years. The pen is also packed with features and the ink cartridge is completely replaceable. It is made with tungsten, so it will never corrode or scratch. It will remain rust-free for its entire life and can even be attached to a keyring. Best of all, if you grab the pen with your palm, it will
Communicate with the base of operations without ever getting spotted. It's an earpiece the size of a grain of rice that fits in your ear. The earpiece allows you to hear the person on the other side in a crystal clear voice. The device connects with your cell phone to function. you need to make a phone call with your phone to establish a connection. It's compatible with every cell phone in the market. You can connect either via a cable or Bluetooth mode. Since you don't want to be spotted, Bluetooth's the way. You also have the option to listen to pre-recorded audio, a perfect buy to maintain a low profile and get the job done. Number 4. Spy Button. The Spy Button's a simple but incredibly useful product. It features a button-shaped camera that records and captures HD quality footage. In fact, the world's smallest video recorder. You can fit it into your pocket and carry it everywhere. The Spy Button's capable of recording video with date and time.
Hey guys, it's time to boost up your productivity with some cool new gadgets. This time we'll equip you as if you're James Bond on another mission, some cool things to record bad guys' talks and gatherings, and some cool armor for epic battles. All the links to the products you'll find in the description box. Let's go. Everything new is actually well forgotten old. This adjustable wrench is inspired by a patent that's almost 100 years old. Smooth and satisfying sliding mechanism makes it extremely easy to adjust the clamp size. And thanks to the automatic locking, the jaws are held in place really tight. The wrench is machined from stainless steel, anodized aluminum, and carbon steel that ensure exceptional durability. Oh, and it's not just a wrench. Just flip this thing over to turn into a bottle or box opener. You might also use it as a fidget toy. The tool's fairly compact, so you'll have no problem carrying it in your bag or simply clip it to your belt hook. It's hard to impress someone with a Swiss Army knife, but we'll give it a try. Behold the largest multifunctional penknife ever. This thing actually made it into the Guinness Book of World Records. The knife is 9 inches thick and includes 87 tools. That's literally every tool that has ever been used in such knives, from 14 blades to an endless amount of screwdrivers, wrenches, and all that. This knife is so complex that it could be assembled by hand only. But of course, it's basically useless and really easy to make fun of. Some reviewers on Amazon have noted that the knife has built them a new house or restored their truck all by itself. Others have suddenly found themselves on the moon or started a nuclear war by pulling out the wrong tool. So this version will probably be a bit safer to use. Although it's much more compact, this knife still features over 80 functions. Moreover, it has a built-in display that serves for timer, barometer, thermometer, and watch. Should be more than enough. There's only one type of butterflies for CSGO fans, the knives. And now they're coming from the game to the real world. The first thing you'll notice is the huge variety of colorful skins that cover both the blades and handles. That must be a tough choice to make. The opening mechanism is so smooth you can actually open it with one hand. The reinforced spring lock makes sure the knife won't open accidentally though. Featuring stainless steel blades and zinc alloy handles, the knives are razor sharp and sturdy as you'd expect. Thanks to the detachable handle, you're free to change the blade anytime. And on top of that, the package includes a nice sheath for storage and carrying. Carrying a regular set of keys is extremely inconvenient for several reasons. Too bulky, too noisy, too cluttered, yuck. But thankfully, there's a smart and innovative solution. This sleek key organizer looks like a Swiss Army knife. It's made from industrial-grade stainless steel, so it's extremely durable. This design allows the storage of up to 8 keys, and it's much easier to find the right one when you need it. Adding a new key takes a simple unscrewing. You can also use the device to carry a USB flash drive or other accessories. With an additional loop, you'll also be able to attach car keys and keychains. That's the thing we all needed. This portable pruner is an ultimate gardening tool. Delivering high chain speed, it cuts